Just streaming live camera hosting service from HD Relay. Our Just Streaming service suite means you get a simple budget-minded marketing tool that can reach millions of new customers while broadcasting your cameras to your website viewers without the headaches of in-house servers or staff time. Plus, your camera broadcast is supported by industry professionals who are always just a phone call away. Installing, updating, and operating a live camera around the clock can be a difficult experience. With HD Relay support and our 20+ years of live camera management, your cameras are up and looking good guaranteed. Once your camera is installed and secured to our servers, the HD Relay streaming viewer is then customized and ready for easy, secure HTML5 viewing onto your company website. You can even add a public YouTube account to put your camera into even more viewer channels. The Just Streaming live camera hosting and hardware promotes your location, destination, weather conditions, or local events directly on your website. With our custom private label video player, you can lock in your brand to your live camera as a full screen or smaller video experience across all browsers and mobile devices. Just Streaming hosting package is a great way to get started with live camera brand building. If you would like to add recording or robotic pan, tilt and zoom user controls, simply upgrade to our all-inclusive package at any time to get more features when you're ready.